Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to generate an image with Google Gemini with Nano Banana 2. So to do this you have just to go to Google Gemini and you have multiple options. So the first one is to create or to click on create image like in the middle of the screen, or also you can click on that settings icon in the options in the bottom of the screen, and you can click on create image, and you can directly type create image directly here and tell Nano Banana what is your image is about. For example, I will tell that model to create an image of Sfax city in the morning, and I click on send, and as you can see it started creating my image. So you can use the buttons of create image, or you can tell it directly to create your image and it will do it, as you will see in just few seconds. So we will wait a little bit. So our picture is ready and this is the picture. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to